Welcome to a new video on a media blaster that you can make yourself at home. Stay tuned. Of course, you need a sandblasting pistol. Plastic all around and the glass on top. I used the braided basket that I used for the wood of the stove in winter time. 2 holes to put your arm through, one for the pistol and one to hold the object you want to blast. Here's the complete setup with the hose in the sand. And here is the result of the first thing I ever blasted. At the end of the hose that goes to the sand reservoir, I fixed a small tube that made it a lot easier to stick into the sand. With a thick glass on top, you can easily look inside the container to see what you are doing. And then there are 2 holes for your hands to put through, one for the gun and one for the object to hold. This is before the blasting, before the media blasting. This is how it looks. And this is how it looks after some blasting. But now I have to let the compressor cool off a little bit, because it is a small compressor and it doesn't fit the job very well here. So now let's see how it works in practice. this is again a wrap for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, do it also. Find us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and so on. And hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any future videos. See you in the next one. Thank you all for watching.